Hi guys, so today we're going to make a Wodaabe Chebe butter. So the Wodaabe is a nomad tribe that I met in 2018, and they told me that they use the Chebe powder very differently from the Arab tribes. So they like to infuse the Chebe powder in butter that they make from scratch. But today, since we don't have any cow around, we're going to use unsalted butter. So first of all, you're gonna cook the butter to remove any moisture and any bacteria so you can preserve the butter for a longer period of time. Then you're gonna put your powder inside the butter and you're gonna let it infuse for at least 2 weeks. So this is what they told me, that they like to let it infuse, and then anytime they braid their hair, they just take the butter and use it to braid their hair. So butter from cow milk is very used all over the Sahel by a lot of tribes. You can find it everywhere, like in Ethiopia, the Afar tribe like to use butter on their hair. I heard it in Cameroon from Falata people, Nigeria. They also like to use cow butter on their hair. Like, it's very well known in the nomad world here in the Sahel. So, and plus, butter have an amazing affinity with the hair shaft. So I hope you guys like this quick recipe and let me know if you try it.